let me tell you about my baby. I really love this kid, but sometimes when I'm feeling crazy, I get tired of his stupid baby shit. I threw my child in a cage with monkeys, now my baby's torn apart. It was funny at first, but not anymore. Tried to glue him back together, but didn't know where to start. I think the monkeys might have eaten some of him, and I think that was really uncool. Like I'm not going in there eating baby monkeys, though I could, yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Pick up my giant great sword and jump in with